I've told you already. You've only just had breakfast. Wait until your food goes down first.
What's happening?
Please, Daddy! They want to go in the hot tub.
But it's only 7 o'clock.
I know.
Please!
Maybe later.
We have nothing to play though.
Play together.
We're going hot tub now, Mummy.
Not now. I have to paint Skipper's new room and I don't want you in there alone. You can't even swim.
Daddy coming with us then?
Daddy is with the builders today. We need to get the conversion ready for Skipper, Stacey and Chelsea so they can move in.
The magic toaster will help.
Magic in the air, make people happy everywhere.
Harry, and I scare people.
Time to get ready for bed.
But we're not going hot tub yet.
You can't go in the hot tub every day. Now hurry up and get changed into your pajamas.
I wish we go in hot tub, but Mummy says no, not now, and maybe later.
I know! Wet!
That great idea. Let's meet at 19 o'clock. Bye.
You're ready for bed already?
Yes.
Wow. That was quick. Anyway, good night. Well done for being good and playing together today while Mummy and Daddy were busy.
Good night.
Summer, what time 19 o'clock?
I don't know. Let's just see if Howie's in bed or not.
Okay.
Howie, that you? Yes.
We need to stop talking and hurry up.
Where are swimming costumes?
That not matter. We just jump in with our clothes on.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So, what we do now? I don't know.
I know. Mummy and Daddy still be downstairs. Howie, you keep a lookout.
What I do on lookout?
I don't know. It's just a word I always wanted to say. Is everything okay upstairs?
Oh no, they can hear us. Let's wake up early and do it in the morning instead.
I wake up early at 5 o'clock and then I wake you up and we put our plan into action.
Got it. But how we know it's 5 o'clock?
I'm pretty sure I can set the clock alarm. I use it to wake up early at 5 o'clock. Summer, wake up. It's time for our plan to be put into action.
Yay! Howie, wake up. I already awake.
Hey, I'm meant to be the cool one. Follow me. Wow, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's not even dark anymore.
Oh no, the hot tub lid is on. How we get it off?
Play together.
We can play together. Huh? I mean work together. Yes. 5, 9, 16, 100, go!
What we do now?
Jump in. Yay! Let's... I'm really not sure about this.
We get inflatable floaties to stay safe.
Yay! Okay, I do it.
We need Mr. Banana!
Oh yeah, Mr. Banana. He our inflatable toy. What language are you speaking? Fine, we get Mr. Banana, but quickly. What we waiting for?
We forgot that the shed door needed a key.
How are we supposed to get the key? It's all the way in the cupboard.
Easy. We just do what they do in movies.
Huh?
We stand on top of each other.
Are you sure we not hurt each other or fall off?
I sure. Summer, quickly, otherwise Mummy and Daddy might wake up.
You find it yet? Yeah, my shoulder's getting tired.
Uh-huh. Found it.
Mr. Banana! Finally! I do it. I'm so strong.
Yes, but let's jump in.
Bubbles, bubbles!
Oh, yes.
How you turn on the bubbles? Oh, I know. The other day, Mummy gave me some bubble mixture and it make it really big bubbles. Good idea. I go get it. I pour it in.
That's strange. It's not working.
Maybe add in some more bubbles. Oops.
Whoopsie.
You think that's a little too many bubbles? Ah! The bubble's going over the side! Oh no! Stop those bubbles!
It'll be fine. No worries about it.
What are you doing? Mummy and Daddy will be so angry when they wake up. Bubbles are everywhere.
They wake up in a million years. Chill. Whee! What is happening? Where's Harry? Where are they? What?
Hey! Summer, I don't think that you throw bubbles at me. Pardon? I'm so busy trying to clean up the bubbles. I don't throw any bubbles at you. Rosie.
Whoopsie!
You don't get away that easily. Hiya!
Let the bubble fight begin!
I don't believe this. What Mummy and Daddy going to say? If they take away chocolate from me, I don't know what I do. Whoa! Bubble flood! Okay, Summer, we get Rosie. Okay! Summer, you collect the bubbles and I throw. Okay, I'm warning you, I'm good at throwing now. Very good. Very good. I want to throw it, but I want to win too. Whoopie-woo!
Oh no! Howie, you throw! You good too!
It's fine. If you not want to win, Summer can throw. Yay! Bubble power!
No! How am I going to beat them? Summer was really good at throwing and I probably lose against her.
And me.
Oh, yes. Obviously. And Howie.
Howie, go collect some bubbles.
How long this going to take?
Okay, we ready?
Finally. 3, 2, 1.
Wait! I want to move teams. What? Howie? Sorry, I'm on Rosie's team now.
Yay! You made the right choice, Howie.
3, 2, 1.
Wait!
What now?
Can we move on to the top bit of the grass? I'm not really feeling like this is a winning spot for me.
And me.
Oh, yeah, obviously. And Howie.
Sorry, no. Whoa! This feels good for me.
Summer!
the bubble fight is the winner.
Ken! Ken! Ken!
What's up, Barbie? What? It sounds like someone was in hurry outside.
Yes.
No! Sweat attack!
Oops. Bubbles, what are you doing? I'm going to have a talk with you three after I find a towel. What happened to the hot tub?
Barbie, I have an idea that will teach them a lesson.
Go on.
Bubble bits.
Bubbles! Bubbles! This is good.
Daddy, you're not really aiming in the right places. I completely dry. You lucky. Mommy throwing bubbles at us and she good. Daddy can't really throw very well though.
I can throw. Look. Take that.
No, I think it go on the ground.
Now?
No, Daddy, I think...
Now is the lucky time. I can feel it in my pajamas.
Daddy!
Yeah.
Bubble